Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb. The light bulb illuminates the oven cavity, making a chef's life easy. If when you open the oven door the light won't come on, check the light bulb and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Remove the oven racks and pull them out and lift a little bit up and then take it away. The light bulb is behind the light lens in the left upper corner. So we're going to start with taking off that spring that holds the lens. It slides off, and then the lens is free to go. And we can unscrew the light bulb. This is the old light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new light bulb goes in. I'm going to install it into the socket and tighten it, turning it clockwise. Do not over tighten it or you're going to break it. Then we're going to put in the lens. Hold it and pull the spring over the lens. Now we're going to install the oven racks. Place them on the rail and push it in. Place on the rail and push in. And now we can close the oven door. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.